up money. I don't understand why she did something stupid like that.
She flew in from the Bahamas, money in her pocket, and even her own family couldn't defend her.
Hi.
Have a seat.
You know where this could pay for the stuff because I didn't understand how to work it. I know I just
verify first and we'll see.
Because I just was like putting it through.
Just have a seat and we'll go through it all, and once we figure out what ain't been paid for, then we'll do it. Get her information, she has
66.
Of course. Where's she from?
Bahamas.
Of course.
There's one that's blue, there's one that's gray, and then there's one that's white. You scan.
No, the white pants go with the gray bottom. And then the gray, that's a gray pant.
Okay.
That's a gray pant to me.
Wait a minute, there's more there.
So I could see, please. Hi, officer.
There was a second one reviewing the footage.
Sit down.
No, I want
Sit
to
down.
say, everything was a misunderstanding, like I say.
Tell you how many items are on here? 23.
Many items to be a misunderstanding.
A misunderstanding.
I know, listen.
A misunderstanding is one, maybe two items, not 23.
No.
Not $211 worth. That's not a misunderstanding. That is called theft.
No.
Yes.
Well, see what happened is when I hold it up, I just scan it like I see the tag up, I just scan it like that.
One or two items
like
is a
the
misunderstanding.
woman was helping me, but I want my problem paying for it because I'm not that type of person. I don't get no trouble, Lord. I don't get no trouble.
That's what everybody says when they get caught stealing.
No, you run my name, right? You run the name. I don't get no
Well,
trouble.
first time for everything.
It just was a misunderstanding. It wasn't intentional.
No.
Officer.
A misunderstanding is one or two items, not 23.
Officer,
Not
like
$211
I
worth.
the machine, like, I got two small kids, officer, please.
Well,
just let me just pay for it, please.
You had that opportunity when you were doing the self-checkout. That was your opportunity to scan and pay for the items.
I told
we're beyond that. We are beyond that.
I didn't mean to do what would happen. Officer, please, can I just pay, please? I got two small children. Please, officer, please. Like, it wasn't nothing. It wasn't serious, officer, please.
Is she living over here?
No, she's from
No, I
Bahamas.
just on vacation. It just wasn't nothing. It was just a mistake.
When are you leaving?
I'm leaving on Friday.
What's that?
Friday. It's just a mistake, officer. Just please. I have two small kids, please. I'm not from over here.
Not just because you're not from here doesn't mean that you can steal.
No, I'm not stealing, officer.
You didn't steal.
No.
You didn't scan those items, and you walked out after without paying for
I
it.
was rushing because my cousin keep calling.
Okay.
You see, I was on the phone. My cousin keep calling. I was trying to hard scan everything. Like it wasn't intentional, officer. Please. Can I just pay for the missed items, please?
You had that opportunity. We're beyond that.
Officer, it was just a misunderstanding. I didn't.
It's not a misunderstanding.
Officer, please, I have two small kids, please.
We should have thought about that.
Officer, like, it wasn't intentional.
Yes, it is very intentional. Watching the video is very intentional.
I was on the phone. My cousin keep asking where we was. I was trying to have cash, and some of the stuff probably just get missed. And probably I was grabbing, like, please, miss, please, mom. It wasn't intentional. Like, can I just pay for it?
So like for that, just stop saying the same thing because it's not. You can't do anything.
I just want to pay for it, please. I cannot get it off. I have my kids. I have my kids, please. Please, officer. I have my kids. I will need to pay, officer, please.
Just let him finish the paperwork, okay?
Hello.
Help you.
I just come to another officer. I think you're my question in there.
Yeah.
Sure. I wanted to know
You want to know what?
did she get revenue for the?
Well, we're still working out that. Yeah, because there's a lot of items that she didn't pay for. It was over $200. So I'm not sure if you know where the self-checkout is?
Yeah.
There's cameras right there, and on the videos it shows her not scanning a lot of items. So it's like $230, $250 she gets in.
So can she pay for the items? I mean, she
Walmart doesn't want her to pay for it. No. So yeah, we're still trying to work it out. Yeah. Yeah, it was a lot. Where you gonna be at?
I mean, I'm from the Bahamas. They're saying, I never rented over there now, but I want to go. I mean, I don't know how it's going.
Yeah, it's probably gonna be like another 10, 15 minutes. Okay. Where are you gonna be outside or something? Okay. All right.
Can I go talk to my cousin way outside?
No.
What she say?
Oh, they're still at the store. She just, I don't know, one of your family members. Just want to know how long it's gonna be. That's all.
Again, I'll put you want more in the description.
It should be fine. Is that yes? Looks like yes. Go ahead, stand up.
Officer,
Go ahead, stand up. Don't make me yank you up. Stand up.
officer, like I say, I'm not a problem person. Please, you just pay for it.
So they don't want that. They want to pursue charges, press charges. So you're gonna go to jail. You could be released today, but your family members have to go to the jail and get you out. Okay.
Please don't press charges on me, please.
Don't move. We're not ready to go just yet.
Can I get my ID before I leave it?
I have your ID.
No. That's my thing when I go to the
Stand still. 1915. The female's 1015.
Please, guys. Please just give me, please don't press charges, please. I will pay for it. I'm very sorry. I have to pay.
It's not even a save off, isn't it?
Please. Please, guys. Mom?
I already told you that we cannot go back. Once you're here, you pass point of sales, we cannot go back.
I didn't mean to. I just thought everything get cash
There's one more
on
rules. It's
one
not
thing.
our rules. So
I thought everything get cash on one thing.
imprímelo.
It comes out here.
You copy and paste.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna try to do right now. Let's see if it lets me. Sometimes
I thought everything get cash on one thing.
Shift.
No, yo creo que. Yo no sé por qué tú usas esas líneas.
What I have to do?
Tienes que usar
Line by line.
Under release.
So you're going to be going to jail for retail petty theft. You will have a $500 bond, which means after you're booked in, you have the opportunity to bond out for $500. You can either pay $500 cash,
Yes,
or you can get with the bondsman, and they do typically do
No.
10%.
Family has her stuff, right?
no.
So it'd be
Who has the
nothing less than $100 with the bondsman. Could be more, could be less.
Oh. So what about this? Your family is here to get the items you pay?
Here, wait a sec.
Huh? There?
One of my items I didn't get because I tell you like cash.
Yeah, that's the stuff you paid for.
The stuff that you paid
No,
for.
something didn't get cash. My fault. I paid for everything.
Well, you paid for everything on that receipt.
You want a return? You want to give to your family the items you pay?
I pay in card, so I can't return it. Right?
You can. Just let me know. You want to give it to your family or a return?
So Walmart, because it's so much it's like $250. They want to press charges for theft. So if they want to press charges, you have to arrest her, okay? Because she doesn't live within our county, she lives far away. So, for example, if she lived in Orlando, she would still have to go to jail. In our policy, we have to take her to jail, okay? So she could be released. You just got to go to the jail and get her out, okay? So, yeah. It's about 45 minutes from here. I could give you the address. Where you're staying at? You're staying in Orlando?
Yeah. Okay. Just come last night.
Yeah.
My God.
So, I don't know. Y'all from the Bahamas?
Yeah.
So, I don't know how it is in the Bahamas. When you go to jail, you have to pay to get them out. That's how it is here.
Oh, you have to pay?
Yeah. So, if she doesn't pay, then she has to stay to jail until tomorrow when she sees the judge.
She has to go before a judge?
Yeah.
What? So how much you have to pay?
$500. That's to get her out of jail.
That's to get out.
To get her
That she
out.
don't have to pay that. She have money. That's like I told her officer. She was saving for this trip from January, so I don't understand why she
So
would do something stupid like
a
that.
lot of people that come and steal from Walmart here, they always have a lot of money on them. I don't know why they don't pay.
Serious, man?
I arrested someone last week, and they didn't scan like $100 and something, and he had a whole thing of cash. Just pay for it. You're gonna spend more money getting out of jail.
Thank you very much.
So yeah, so I can give you the address. I think, and then everything that she did purchase, I can give to you, so you can take. Right. So will you want the address? So if you want to look in your Google, you got Google Maps.
I'm not this type of person. I live in the Bahamas. I'm a chef.
Well, from what I saw, you are a thief. I just watched you steal.
Where the items
No,
at?
I'm not.
Mira allá atrás.
I'm getting no problems, nothing like that.
So, pregúntanos a ver.
So the items that you pay for, this receipt right here, which is the items behind you, do you want to leave it with whoever you came with, those items, or you want us to return it to the card that this was purchased on?
Those are your items.
I willing to pay for this too because I
No,
want
we're beyond that.
We're
What
talking
you
about
own.
those items.
Yes, I understand what you're saying.
Where do you want those to
them.
go?
I
You want them. So they go with your family
So,
members.
These two is what I want.
No, we're not worried about what you stole. You're not paying for what you stole.
The door.
Yeah. Yeah. Her stuff.
Yeah.
It's good to take?
Yeah.
I already talked to her.
it's-
This is hers?
500.
Yeah, I already sold her. So, this is everything that she purchased. This is all her stuff. Okay?
What I want to know is if I can get her card, so we can pay the fine and begin.
I asked her. So, they want to know if they can get your card because you got to pay $500 to get out.
I don't know if they won't accept this. They don't accept credit or debit cards.
Or they got to take out money.
Yeah.
I said it was-
You want her to know your code to get out?
I get know today.
You can, but you got to pay it to get out. You don't pay it, you stay there till tomorrow until you see the judge. And the judge will determine if you get out or not.
I can pay today.
Yeah, but you got to pay cash or they got to go to a bondsman.
Okay, I'll pay. Yeah.
But you can't pay with a card.
Okay, I'll pay. Yeah.
You want to know? You want them to know?
Yeah, you could ask her to pay for the cash and I will pay.
Ma'am? You want to talk to her real quick?
We'll do it out there.
I don't understand.
Oh, okay.
The money was helping me pay for the stuff, and they're saying teacher baby toys. They don't get paid for. Teacher like this, they tell them they don't get paid for.
They can see the items going out.
Have you called it?
Teacher know what happened.
Yeah.
On the table. But then
You can talk to her out in the car.
she paid for it.
So you could go there or drop things off about 45 minutes to an hour.
Sit down.
And then it takes about 45 minutes to an hour for them to process her. Yeah. Okay? You're welcome. And it takes about 45 minutes to an hour to fill up that process.
If you want to talk to her, I'll open the window up and talk to her.
How are you guys?
Good evening.
Chargers now in what's the other economy farm? Oh, we're talking about the Prius, the Mustang.
Oh, they do Mustangs?
On the highway down there.
Oh, wow. In the city or?
Yeah, in the city.
Sorry to bug you. I need to take a picture of her. She didn't sit on the black bench, so I don't have the photo.
Gotcha.
I just
Hey, look at it this way. They need a photograph.
see family.
Oh yeah, I'm down here visiting. Look, he's.
Look at it.
No.
Well, he wants y'all to stand next to the truck. He wants you guys next to the truck. Look. Oh my God. Hold that up while I take a picture, please. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Tenneille Rahming was charged with retail Petit theft and released on a $500 bond. For a misunderstanding, she flew all the way from the Bahamas for. If you made it this far, drop a comment below. And if you want more real body cam footage like this every week, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.